Good morning, guys. Welcome to another video. It's Russell and we're in the E30. We got the M3 over here and we're gonna be going to a nice BMW car meet, guys. So I'll take you guys along. Alright, you guys, we made it to the car meet. We got the E30 posted up right here. We got all the cars over there. They're selling some food and everything, and I'll show you guys along. Look how cool the E30 looks posted up right here. Rear end's looking good. I love the wrap on this. Look at his engine bay. This thing is crazy. All about the little details. We got all these BMWs posted up. Getting so much inspiration with the hood and everything. If I use my old hood and paint match it, how would you guys think it would look? They gave me a little flyer. Just so cool. Shout out Beamer Circuit. Look at this marble M6. Holy. Another F80 M3, the bronze and black. And look at this. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen this by AA Concepts.
Nah, he's going around the block here.
Look at those fenders. Damn. M2 chilling over there. Look at the way the cars are lined up. We got the M8 competition in Drive It Gray. I love this color on the M4 GTS. Shop, it's the grand opening. The new CSL. How do you guys feel about these wheels? What if I put these wheels on the new F80 M3? This G80, bro, they put a Kirby up in here. This G82 goes crazy. Damn. Woo. Look at this spec on this M3. Pumpkin M3. I've been trying to find E30 all this whole time and it's swapped. Super clean black on black E30. How do you guys feel about the GTS wings? I absolutely love the way they look. Look at the yellow DRLs. More BMWs on this side. Love the eyebrows with the carbon fang and the lip. That whole combination just brings the front end together. It's so beautiful. This M3, look at the size difference from the M3 to this little thing right here. It's like a whole little toy car. F30 out of here. We're gonna try the new smash burgers, guys, and we have the nice view of the E30 chilling over there. Yeah, guys, we got our food. Look how good this looks. The sauce, the onions, the cheese melted on the patty, and the tater tots. Damn! Look at these. Wow, dude. Dude, the headlights on this is crazy.
Or they just say bye to each other.
Frozen black G80 M3. And this one has the yellow headlights.
Oh wait, never mind.
Damn. This is nice.
She looks like Darth Vader.
What? You guys, we're out of the car meet. I hope you guys enjoyed all the nice cars we saw. Alright, guys, we're out of here. Thank you so much, Beamer Circuit, for hosting the meet. And look at this M3. Damn. Just look at these two cars. Silver on silver right now. Looks absolutely insane. Damn. I just want to show you guys the rear ends. Look how cool this angle looks from his wing to my wing. Crazy concept from the new to the old. I'll continue to try to document all the BMW experiences I get on my channel, so stay tuned in the next video. I appreciate all you guys. Good morning, guys. Welcome to another video. We have a special box for the E30 over there. If you guys can read what the box says, Valvetronic Designs. Let's go ahead and unbox this. This thing's gonna make the E30 sound extra crazier. Got a couple goodies in here as well. So this is what they sent us. Shout out to Valvetronic. They sent us the full muffler system. Let's see what's in this box right here. So since this is a valved exhaust system, these are the lines that run through the car, which is pretty cool. Let's see what this is. They give us chrome exhaust tips, which are pretty cool. Alright you guys, so the E30 is running some blast pipes, and the exhaust system on the car is right there. It's some random aftermarket one. I don't know the name of it, but it just gives it a nice open tone. Alright guys, so this is how the car sounds idling. It doesn't sound too bad, but I definitely want to keep the blast pipes as the exhaust tips and just change out the muffler system right here. We got everything in the car, and now let's go to an exhaust shop and see if we can get it installed for us. Yes sir. In case you guys are wondering, this is my stock ride height for the E30. I absolutely love driving the E30, guys. If you guys ever get a chance to drive an older manual BMW, it's a whole other experience compared to like the newer ones. Like if you guys can hear the way the car sounds, I actually love the way this car sounds right now. So alright guys, we made it to Smog Check Canyon Mufflers out here in Canyon Country, California. We got the E30 posted up here. Look at the little figurines the guy has. Like, bruh, homie is not messing around. It's pretty cool. So they're lifting the car up. Alright, so the car's coming back down. We got all the parts here. They can't do electrical work, but they can install the muffler, but we're gonna try to find a place that can do both, just so we can kill two birds with one stone. Alright guys, we made it to another shop called Extreme Auto Sports here in Santa Clarita Valley, and we're gonna see what they charge for the exhaust system on the E30. We got the muffler system from Valvetronic, guys, with the E30. I just wanted to get installed already. Alright guys, we dropped off the E30 and we're gonna take them three out for a little drive. You guys, I absolutely love driving the M3, and the car sounds insane. So competition exhaust. Just look at the headlights, guys. The headlights on the M3 is something else. I absolutely love the angel eyes. Alright guys, this is my BMW E30 and we got the Valvetronic exhaust installed on it. I want to show you guys how it sounds idling. It has a nice deep aggressive tone now. Alright you guys, so since this is a valved exhaust, it comes with the remote. We can open and close the valves with the palm of our hands. This is how it sounds open. Alright, since this car is on bags, I plan on keeping the bag remote in the middle here, and I might just install this somewhere on the center console. But I want to give you guys some sound clips from how it sounds driving, how it sounds revving with the valves open and closed, but it gives it a nice tone. I really love the idle sound. Another thing to point out, I really love the fitment the bags gave for the E30. Like the back wheel is tucking so hard. I don't have a tripod, but this is my little setup right here. We're gonna set up the camera and give you guys some revs. Alright, so you guys heard how it sounds with the valves open and closed. It's a pretty dramatic difference. And honestly, I really love the way it sounds open. That's probably how I'm gonna have it set up most of the time. But it's not too dramatically loud. It's like a perfect amount of tone. I want to show you guys how it looks underneath. We're gonna air up the car all the way. Yeah, the car is airing up all the way. and I want to show you guys how the Valvetronic muffler looks from underneath. So this is how it looks. It's welded onto my blast pipe, which connects all the way out. Alright, so we're just gonna strap ourselves in the NRG harnesses. Let's go. So we're gonna start off with the valves. We're gonna open the valves. So the valves are open. And we're just gonna do some driving clips for you guys. Sound it makes when shifting is really, really good.